Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 40 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and also subscribe if you are new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 40 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you are new to the channel, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And comment wishes out a drawing. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Gohan Ssj2. Hopefully I enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and honestly, this is probably my favorite Dragon Ball drawing that I've done so far. I feel like the other Dragon Ball drawings that I've done, I haven't really been fully satisfied with the outcome, but this outcome for this drawing came out super well, and hopefully I'm just as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving this my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that me really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a Dragon Ball drawing playlist there, so check that out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.